Would you give a stranger the keys to your house? Of course not. Then why are so many pipelines built like they're waiting for a break-in to happen? In data engineering, 3 of the most overlooked but most dangerous gaps are access control, secret management, and least privilege. Access control defines who can run, modify, or view your workflows, while secret management covers how you protect your various sensitive credentials, like database passwords, API keys, and tokens. While least privilege kind of wraps it all up. That means giving people only the access that they need to do their job and nothing more. Kind of like in a hotel, you're only giving that visitor the key to the room that they need access to. Now, if those aren't in place, you are not risking just a mistake. You are leaving the door wide open for abuse and regulatory issues. So let me tell you about a story. I joined a project kind of mid-flight. The first thing that I did was audit the Git repo. And what did I find? I found that there was a vendor that had been hard coding database passwords and API tokens directly into Python scripts and then pushed them out into GitHub. I thought I was going to puke in my trash can. We rotated every key, scrubbed every repo, and rebuilt Vault integration from scratch. That wasn't cleanup. That was a live wire waiting to spark. Now, this scenario happened to be in a test environment, but still, those credentials were out there for other people to see and get access to other things. Here's the kicker. That kind of exposure can violate things like SOC 2 compliance, HIPAA, GDPR obligations, and depending on what the data is, can result in thousands and tens of thousands of dollars of fines to your business. It can void vendor contracts and trigger various other compliance issues down the road, as well as wipe out years and years of stakeholder trust. Think of your data platform like your house. Your orchestration trigger, that's kind of the front door. The connection strings are the safe in your closet. Your secret rotation, that is changing the locks when someone leaves that didn't give you the key back. If you don't control these, then you're not orchestrating, you are gambling with your company's reputation and money. Quick check-in. Could someone outside your organization trigger one of your pipelines right now? When was the last time that you rotated your keys? Alright, so right about now you're asking, okay, crap. I'm not sure if somebody could get in. How do I secure my privacy? How do I make sure that my customer's privacy is secure? And how do I lock it down? Okay, here are some things. Use Azure Key Vault, AWS Secret Manager, or something along those lines. GCP has one as well. Apply least privilege. Not everyone needs admin rights and the keys to the whole castle. Never store your secrets in code. Please, please, please. I don't ever want to open a Python script again and see somebody's database password sitting there in plain text or a whole connection string. Nobody needs to see all that. And log everything along the way. Who accessed what, when they accessed it, why they accessed it. This has become so important, especially with Sarbanes-Oxley, GDPR, CCPA, and all the various, especially like AI regulations that are getting ready to come out. If your pipeline is moving data, they move risk. So protect them just like you would protect your own home and your bank account. IBM found that nearly 1 in 5 breaches start with leaked or mismanaged credentials. One exposed key can wipe out stakeholder trust faster than a failed migration ever could. So, are your pipelines defensible? Or did you just leave the keys under the mat. What is the most reckless security mistake that you have seen in one of the data projects that you've worked? Let me know down in the comments. And did you also puke in your trash can when you found out? Let's build that hall of shame together. And until next time, keep your pipelines clean and your queries lean.